back for another video. So as you can see, here's the last piece we made. It's time to do this. So indeed, again, we need glue stick, glue can, clear glue, cutter, cardboard. So let's work. Okay guys, I'm gonna link this in the description so you can print it. Okay? Do you will print it? Okay? Okay. If you don't, you can borrow some. Yeah. Okay? Do you have a pen paper? Okay? Okay, let's print it. And we're done printing. There are total of 6 pages. And we're back. Here's the full file. When you're done pasting it all. So here, there, and here. Okay guys, while cutting the pattern, don't mind these triangles here, like here and this spot. Don't mind them, just cut them with some spacing. Okay. Okay guys, after cutting all the pieces, just like this. We're now going to paste it in the cardboard. Okay, we're pasting it in the cardboard. So time lapse, and there we go, the full patterns in the board. So let's cut it. Okay, cutting, time lapse, and we'll use a glue gun. As you can see, I'm cutting the pattern so we can fold it easily. Just like that, and fold. So we're making the handle first and then the back. I have a mistake on this one, but it will be okay. I adjusted the pattern. So, and this one for the front, yeah, that's so cute. And under, say let's under the gun, and the top one, just fold it, and then the side, so this little piece goes here, and then we're done. And this one, just fold it, it's going to be under the gun, and that's for the top of the gun, and this one for the front side. Just add it there, put that thing there, and that one, yeah, and here we go, the top part. And let's do the bottom, just add that there. Okay, And let's put the front just like that and add it. Okay, and the front. So I had a mistake here putting that thing, but I also repaired the file, so it's okay. And I created this part because the file was not complete, so I added, but it's okay now, just for spacing. And then after putting all the parts together, and here we have, we're half done. So when we're done, we're gonna have to repair some holes, just like adding some glue to those open space, like here, some open spaces, or add some more cardboard, and then adjust some pieces so it looks straight. And we'll have to solder. I use this iron to clean up, to flat some glue so it's more presentable to the eye. And there we have it, clean and good. So here we have it, the full gun made of cardboard. If you want, we can paint this, but I'll put it in another video. So I'll make a tutorial on painting it. If you like to see more of DIY cardboard, please support the channel if you want. And if you have a request of another cardboard DIY, just comment down below. Okay, thank you for watching.